ho, this one is a shark. Oh ho ho, this one is a goat. Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video, and here is many colorful of animals and toys. So let's go for collecting. That is the first one. This one is very nice and beautiful color combination. So I collecting this one outside, and here is another one, green color. This one is a blue color. Hey. And here is a pink color combination. And there is the yellow color. Hey. And there is the very big one, yellow. Oh ho ho. Okay, and here is the another one. This one is a pink color. I collecting. And that is the green color. Oh ho ho. And here is the another one. Oh, this one is the yellow one. And there is the another blue. Here is the another pink color also. And there is another blue one. And there is the green one. Oh ho ho. There is the another one is orange color. And there is the last one is a blue. Oh ho ho. So guys, all of animals and toys collecting in my bucket. So let's go for cleaning. So guys, here is my cleaning water, and that is my all of toys. So that is the first one I cleaning. Ha ha ha. Oh ho, this one is a cow. Collecting this cow here also. And here is the another one. Oh ho, this one is a shark. Collecting the shark here. There is the next one. Oh ho, this one is a Superman. Collecting the Superman here also. And there is the blue one. I cleaning. Oh ho ho, this one is a goat. I collecting this goat here. And there is the another one. Oh ho ho, this one is very nice and beautiful. Panda. Ha ha ha.